Hi, boys and girls. It's Mrs. LaFuse again. I hope you're doing well. I know some of the lessons at the beginning of this week talk about how to find the perimeter of a four-sided shape. I'm going to talk to you today about how to find the unknown sides of a four-sided shape when you know the perimeter. Okay, so go ahead and follow along. We're going to do two examples. For our first example, we're going to start with a rectangle. I know that rectangles are four sides. I know that rectangles have opposite sides that are the same length or that are congruent. So I'm going to take a look at this rectangle and I'm going to think about what I know to help me solve to find the length of my right and left sides. Well, I know that the top side is 8. So the bottom side also has to be 8 because remember we said opposite sides were equal. I know the perimeter's 20. Well, I can't find out what these sides are just yet. So I want to think about what else do I know? Well, I said that these sides were both 8. So to find the perimeter, I'm going to add. Well, I'm going to add 8 and 8 to find out how much I have so far. 8 plus 8 is 16. I have 16 of those 20 already taken in the top and bottom sides. So I need to use this information to find out how much I have left. So I'm going to take 20, which was my original perimeter, and I'm going to subtract 16 from that. And when I do that, 20 minus 16, is 4. Hold on, we're not done yet. Don't come over here and put 4 on these sides, because if I did that, I'd have 8 plus 4 and 8 plus 4. Well, that equals 24. My original perimeter is only 20. I would have too much if I did that. So I want to think about how many sides do I need to find? Well, I need to find 2 sides. So I'm going to take this number 4 that I had left, and I'm going to divide it by 2 because that's the number of sides that I need to find the length to. 4 divided by 2 is 2. So each side of my rectangle is 2. And I can check that. 8 plus 2 is 10. 8 plus 2 is 10. 10 plus 10 is 20. And that was the original perimeter. So by taking the information that I know and subtracting it from the perimeter and then dividing, that's a lot of steps, I can find out what my unknown sides are. We're going to go ahead and try a square. And as I quickly get the board ready, I want you to think about what do you know about a square? Did you say that a square has 4 sides? I hope so. Did you say that a square has 4 sides that are equal? I hope so. You might have also said that a square has 4 angles, right? And that's right, that's correct. But we're only going to worry about the 4 sides. So I am going to go ahead and make this square have a perimeter of 36. So again, this is the only information I'm going to give you, but we're going to think about how we solved for the rectangle and think about what we know about squares to help us solve the length of each side. So just a minute ago, we said that squares have 4 sides, right? And we know that the perimeter is 36. So I'm going to take 36 divided by those 4 equal sides, and I'm going to get 9. So the length of each side of this square is 9. And if I add that all together, 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9, I get 36. Boys and girls, there are several steps for these problems. Take your time, show your work, and do your best. Good luck.